Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ali Varnani and this video is going to be my class 10th results. How much marks I have scored, how much percentage I have secured, what stream I'll choose for class 11th, and will I give the second board examination or not. So first of all, I'll tell you if I'll give the second board examination. No, I'll not give the second board examination, and the main reason is that I have to focus on the next year. Like I have to focus on 11th rather than going back to 10th and studying all the basics again. So I'll not give the second board examination. Now for the result part, let's get started without any further delays. सबसे पहले तो I have got 69 out of 80 in English. Practical में I have scored full in each and every subject, so I'm pretty much happy from that. In total I have scored 89 out of 100. Next is Hindi. I had got course B and I have got 76 out of 80, and 20 marks for the internals. I've got 96 out of 100, which is a very good score क्योंकि हिंदी में जनरली मार्क्स कटते हैं जो कि मेरे इतने नहीं कटे हैं. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद दैट. ऑल्सो मेरी एक्सपेक्टेशंस भी इतनी ही थी, बट इंग्लिश में मेरी एक्सपेक्टेशन 76 थी क्योंकि मेरा पेपर काफ़ी अच्छा गया था. आई वॉज वेरी हैप्पी विथ माई इंग्लिश एक्चुअली, क्योंकि जो भी मैंने घर पे आके चेक वेक किया था एंड आई स्कोरिंग 75 और 76. इतने कम है, so I'll probably give it for re-evaluation, but still I'll update you guys shortly about the same. Next is science. I have scored 76 out of 80, and in practical I have scored 20 marks, so in total I have scored 96 out of 100, and I'm pretty much happy from that as well. Next is social science. I have got 73 out of 80 and 20 marks for the internals, and in total I have got 93 out of 100. Maths में I have scored 63 out of 80 and 20 marks for the internals. In total I have got 83 out of 100. Maths में I had taken standard maths and मेरा पेपर उतना अच्छा नहीं गया था. I was literally crying on that day कि मेरा पेपर बहुत ख़राब गया है. Like मैंने इतनी मेहनत की, कुछ नहीं हुआ. But then I was like कि मैं भी कुछ नहीं कर सकती. I have to focus on my future board exams क्योंकि पहला ही मैथ्स का बोर्ड एग्जाम इतना ख़राब गया था. So I didn't wanted to demotivate myself. So I was just focusing on moving on क्योंकि और कुछ नहीं कर सकते. तो इतनी 60s की लाइन में ही I had expected, क्योंकि मेरे 2 से 3 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं हो रहे थे, विच वर ऑफ 2 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं हो रहे थे विच वर ऑफ 3 मार्क्स, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट एक 5 मार्कर आई हैव डन रॉन्ग. उसके अलावा मे बी आई हैव डन समथिंग रॉन्ग एज वेल. आई डिड नॉट कैलकुलेट इट परफेक्टली, बट दिस वॉज लाइक एन अप्रॉक्स. सो या, next is AI. In AI I have scored 47 out of 50 in the theory part and 50 on 50 in the practical part. So I've got 94.2% in the best 5 category and 91.4% in the main 5 category, and I had expected to be at around like 96. तो अगर 2% का और इंक्रीमेंट हो जाता था, I would have like been very happy, but now I was little sad. but ठीक है, इतने भी I am thankful to God. So yeah, that is it. And which stream I have chosen for class 11? I have chosen commerce stream, and probably I'll not take any batch this year, but even if I do, so I'll do update you guys about that as well. So that is it for this video. Do subscribe my channel and like this video and share it, and congratulations to every 10th grader.